Creative Bus Sales has partnered with CleanSpray, a made-in-America company and trusted provider of large-scale decontamination solutions, to become their exclusive distributor for the bus and transit industry in the United States marketplace. CleanSpray offers the CleanTransit Spray System, a patented, on-demand misting system providing a proven and consistent method of cleaning school buses. The automation dramatically decreases cleaning labor costs and eliminates the chance for human error, providing economical, thorough, and continuous protection for your drivers and students. The CleanTransit Spray System can disinfect a fleet of buses in 30 to 90 seconds with no additional wipe down. This self-contained system is permanently mounted under the seat with connections to the protrusion channel of nozzles. These units are custom designed and constructed of aircraft aluminum for a long lifespan and rugged durability. The specialty design fits all school bus layouts, including special needs. The CleanTransit Spray System has a 3-year limited warranty and a tank fitting up to 40 days of disinfectant on board. The disinfectant solution used is BioEsk Botanical Disinfectant. BioEsk is an EPA-registered, broad-spectrum disinfectant that kills 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, fungi, and molds. Not only does it disinfect vehicle surfaces, but it also disinfects pathogens found in the air. CleanSpray CleanTransit will continue to keep your school buses safe as we advance through a post-COVID-19 landscape. If you have additional questions or ready to purchase a decontamination system, please give us a call at 888-926-0620 or give us a visit at www.creativebussales.com. Thank you for watching.